Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I am making M&M brownies. I'm starting with this Betty Crocker milk chocolate brownie mix, and I'm going to be adding that to my bowl. So my brownie mix is in, and I'm going to be following the directions on the box. So I'm going to be adding water, oil, and eggs. I'm just going to whisk that up. All right, the next thing we're going to do is fold in some M&Ms. All right, this is looking good, and we are ready for our pan. All right, our batter is in the pan, and I have added a few more M&Ms to the top for good measure, and we are now ready for the oven, which I have preheated to 325, and we're going to be baking this for about 50 minutes. All right, it has been about 57 minutes, and our brownies are done, and we are just going to let them sit here and cool completely. All right, the brownies are cool, and we are ready to frost. I'm using this Hershey's milk chocolate frosting. All right, the frosting is on, and the last thing we are going to do is sprinkle some more M&Ms on the top. All right, there we go. This looks so good. I'm going to cut a piece so we can see what it looks like on the inside. All right, I just cut a piece. I just want to show you what it looks like. It looks so good. There's the rest of it there. It looks so good and chocolatey and fudgy. Can't wait to try this, and I hope you guys give this a try for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.